Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. We need a test that gives different results for aniline, aromatic primary amine, versus cyclohexylamine, aliphatic primary amine. Moving on to the next step. Both aniline and cyclohexylamine are primary amines. Both react with benzenesulfonyl chloride, Hinsberg reagent, to give sulfonamides. The sulfonamide from a primary amine is soluble in NaOH. Both being primary amines, this test does not differentiate them. Moving on to the next step. Evaluate option B. Isocyanide test, carbylamine test. Both aniline and cyclohexylamine are primary amines. Both react with CHCl3 and KOH to give isocyanides, carbylamines, with a foul smell. This test distinguishes primary amines from secondary tertiary amines, but not aromatic primary from aliphatic primary amines. And for the final step, evaluate option C. Nano2, HCl, diazotization, then beta-naphthyl, azo-coupling. Aniline, being an aromatic primary amine, reacts with nano2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to form a stable diazonium salt, benzene-diazonium chloride. This diazonium salt couples with beta-naphthyl in alkaline medium to give a brilliant orange red azo dye. Cyclohexylamine, being an aliphatic primary amine, reacts with nano2 and HCl to form an unstable aliphatic diazonium salt that immediately decomposes, losing N to gas, and does not form a stable diazonium salt, so no azo dye is formed with beta-naphthyl. Thus, aniline gives a bright orange-red color while cyclohexylamine does not. This clearly differentiates the two compounds. Aniline does not react with NaOH, it is a base, not an acid. Cyclohexylamine also does not react with NaOH in a distinguishing manner. This test does not differentiate them. Conclusion: only option C, nano2, HCl followed by beta-naphthyl, diazotization and azo-coupling, differentiates aniline, gives orange-red azo dye, from cyclohexylamine, no stable diazonium salt, no dye formed. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.